everyone! Today we're going to make this clear push. It's simple and easy to make. You can put your makeup in it or cables or everything you want, of course. It's ideal to find quickly what you're looking for. It fits in every bag and it doesn't take up much space. Let's start. You will need a square of the main fabric and another one for the lining, and transparent vinyl, 2 bias strips for the sides, 2 rectangles, one from the main fabric and the other from the lining, a zipper, thermoadhesive interlining. Take the thermoadhesive interlining and the lining. Center the shiny side of the thermoadhesive on the back of the lining. Hold it and turn it over and iron so it sticks. Now take the main fabric and the zipper, place them right side on right side and pin. Take the lining and put the right side on the zip, then pin before sewing. Sew at 1 centimeter. Take the small green rectangle and place it right side on the zipper, then pin it. Then take the small line rectangle and place it on the back of the zipper and pin it. And now you can sew. Once sewn, we iron to be able to top stitch. Here you top stitch. Take the clear vinyl and put it on the right side of the free length of the main fabric. Then bring the lining. Take the vinyl and sandwich between these 2 fabrics and pin. Then sew at 1 centimeter. Once sewn, reverse the work and iron. Be careful not to touch the vinyl with the iron. You don't want it to melt. Then top stitch. Take the free length of the vinyl and place it on the right side of the small green rectangle and pin it without pinning the lining. And sew here. I just cut here about 0.5 centimeters. I flatten and cover this last seam with the lining. I fold the lining in half and cover the previous seam and pin. Reverse and put a pin here to secure the zipper and then open the zipper. It's not done much, but it makes the work easier. So open in this direction, it will be easy to close. I should also put the pins on this side instead of the other side, but it's okay. Then I sew. Once sewn, close the zipper like this. And then I measure how many centimeters I have. Normally it's 1 centimeters, but if you have 1.1 centimeters, 1.2, it's okay. I measure here and I try to have 1.1 centimeters and I pin. I flatten the work and I measure here. I find also 1.1 centimeter, then I pin, and so. Bring the bias and place them on the sides like this and fold here. Then pin, and so. And we continue with the bias. We fold it 1 centimeter towards the inside and then we bring the pleat to the back of the work and pin before sewing. And here it's already finished. It's fast and easy, and on all it's a practical push. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know it in a comment with a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!